following message is transmitted at the request of the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation. An Amber Alert has been issued on behalf of Shelbyville Police Department for Journey Garrett and Daly Garrett. Journey is a 2-year-old female,
This is number
2 feet 0
3.
inches tall, 30 pounds, with brown hair and
Amber
brown
Alert
eyes, last seen
for
wearing a
2024.
dress and leggings. Daly is a 9-month-old female, 2 feet 0 inches tall, 20 pounds, with blonde hair and blue eyes, last seen wearing a sleeper Nessie. Journey and Daly were last seen in Shelbyville, Tennessee on March 13, 2024. Journey and Daly may be with their non-custodial mother, Casey Campbell, in the area of Powell, Alabama. Casey Campbell is wanted by Shelbyville Police Department for especially aggravated kidnapping. If you have seen Journey, Daly, or Casey Campbell, or have information regarding their whereabouts, please contact Shelbyville Police Department at 93168458811 or the TBI 1800 TBIF North D.
Third one. What's going on with the state?